Verse 23. In the 31st year of Asa, king of Judah, Omri became king of Israel, and he reigned 12 years, 6 of them in Tirzah. He bought the hill of Samaria from Shemer for 2 talents of silver, and built a city on the hill, calling it Samaria after Shemer, the name of the former owner of the hill. But Omri did evil in the eyes of the Lord, and sinned more than all those before him. He walked in all the ways of Jeroboam, son of Nebat, and hid his sin, which he had caused Israel to commit, so that they provoked the Lord, the God of Israel, to anger by their worthless idols. As for the other events of Omri's reign, what he did and the things he achieved, are they not written in the book of the annals of the king of Israel? Omri rested with his fathers and was buried in Samaria, and Ahab, his son, succeeded him as king. Sorry, go back to 1 Kings 12:25. Then Jeroboam fortified Shechem in the hill country of Ephraim and lived there. From there he went out and built up Peniel. Jeroboam thought to himself, "The kingdom will now likely revert to the house of David. If these people go up to offer sacrifices at the temple of the Lord in Jerusalem, they will again give their allegiance to their lord, Rehoboam, king of Judah. They will kill me and return to King Rehoboam." After seeking advice, the king made 2 golden calves. He said to the people, "It is too much for you to go up to Jerusalem. Here are your gods, O Israel, who brought you up out of Egypt." One he set up in Bethel, and the other in Dan. And this thing became a sin. The people went even as far as Dan to worship one there. Jeroboam built shrines on high places and appointed priests from all sorts of people, even though they were not Levites. He instituted a festival on the 15th day of the 8th month, like the festival held in Judah, and offered sacrifices on the altar. This he did in Bethel, sacrificing to the calves he had made. And at Bethel, he also installed priests at the high places he had made. On the 15th day of the 8th month, a month of his own choosing, he offered sacrifices on the altar he had built at Bethel. So he instituted the festival for the Israelites and went up to the altar to make offerings.
咱感谢 Emily 读英文的经文，即马我要用台语来读，所以即马是第12章25节。耶罗波安伫以法莲山地起造试验。就住伫因中间，佮对遐出去毗努伊勒耶罗波安心来讲，那即个国要归大庇的家，即个百姓那就去耶路撒冷，伫耶和华的殿献祭。即个百姓的心归因的主犹大王波罗安，伊要杀死我，永远归犹大王波罗安。所以，这王的计划就做2只金的牛仔，对众百姓讲：，你上去耶路撒冷实在为难。以色列啊，看，这是恁的上帝，要带恁对埃及地转来的。伊会一只伫伯特利，一只伫丹。这个代志真做多，因为百姓去丹，迄只会头前咧拜。王伫山头起庙，伫百姓中无属利别族的，设立伊做祭司。耶罗波安定8月迄月的15细节，亲像犹大的节期共款。伫遐伫单顶献祭，伫伯特利嘛是安尼做，安尼做。献祭伫伊的所做的牛仔。佮甲伊所起的山头段的祭司安置伫伯特利。伊伫8月15日，就是伊的心思刻所定的月，现在伫伊伫伯特利所起的段，互以色列人设节。现在伫单里过烧香。第2个经节是第16章23节到28节。犹太王亚沙31年，暗里坐位伫 以色列王总共12年，伫得撒做王16年。暗利用银2个塔连德伫沙米买撒玛利亚山，伫山顶起造，就照伊个山个原主撒玛个名，甲所起个城号名做撒玛利亚。按利做耶和华看做歹个代志，比古早一切王更较歹，因为伊行尼八个囝亚罗伯安的路，甲伊互以色列人犯罪的罪，用假的代志来激耶和华，以色列的上帝会受气。按利所做的代志，甲伊所显出的能力，敢无记伫以色列遮的王的记录吗？暗利甲伊的列祖同困，待伫撒玛利亚，伊的囝亚哈煞接伊做王。愿上帝祝福听伊的话，搁做伊的代志的人。
愿上帝祝福给凡是听他的话又遵行的人。
这是咱请写。